Thank you for choosing Aegis Tools and Equipment for your auto glass handling and repair needs. We've created this quick start guide to assist you in correctly setting up and using your SureShot windshield repair kit. This guide is not a substitute for the SureShot's instructions. Each auto glass technician should read and understand the entire manual before using the kit. And watch for this icon. It indicates when you should consult the manual on a certain subject. Clean the repair area. Just spray isopropyl alcohol or an alcohol-based glass cleaner onto a soft cloth and wipe it down. Then make sure the area is dry before you proceed. Use these tools in the kit to clean the break of any loose glass fragments, dirt, or other debris. If you don't have any experience doing this, you should perform some practice repairs on a scrap windshield before you try repairing a customer's vehicle. The SureShot's carrying case contains everything you need to make chip repairs. The main components are the repair fixture, which includes a dual-action scribe and combination resin chamber and piston, your choice of 2 repair resins, and a UV lamp for curing the resin. The kit also has several secondary items needed to complete a repair, so make sure your case contains all the items listed here. The SureShot's repair fixture has a suction cup with a locking lever. Once the cup is attached to the glass, it securely holds the support arm, resin chamber or scribe, and balance screw during a repair. A barrel nut secures the support arm to the cup, while an insert seal installed at the bottom of the chamber helps in dispensing the repair resin. We'll get to the scribe's function as part of the repair fixture in just a bit, but you can also use the scribe freehand to clean the impact point of a break. This dual-purpose tool is one of the signature features of this new SureShot kit. Start by cleaning and attaching the inspection mirror on the inside of the windshield. Next, screw in the scribe and the balance screw just far enough to protrude slightly below the support arm, no more than 1/4 inch. Lift the locking lever and place the repair fixture against the windshield. Position the fixture so the scribe is over the brake. Hold the fixture firmly in place while you lock the lever. Next, loosen the barrel nut and slide the support arm as needed to position the scribe's point directly over the impact point. Then, retighten the nut. Remove the scribe from the repair fixture and install the resin chamber. Then screw the piston into the upper chamber opening. Now use the mirror to verify that the impact point aligns with the center of the insert seal at the end of the chamber. Remove the resin chamber and the insert seal for inspection. If it's needed, clean them. Next, gently turn over the resin bottle to mix the resin and remove the cap. Then carefully dispense the resin so that it fills the small cup at the narrow end of the resin chamber. You'll only need about 1/2 milliliter. Next, retract the piston to draw the resin further into the chamber and remove any air bubbles from the chamber. Then reinsert the seal and retighten the piston until resin is visible at the seal's opening. Now screw the chamber back into the repair fixture until the seal touches the glass. Then tighten it another 1/4 turn. Tighten the balance screw until it touches the glass as well. Instead of a pump, the SureShot uses the combination resin chamber piston to generate pressure and vacuum. This is another unique feature of the kit. To start, turn the piston clockwise to apply pressure and inject resin into the brake. Tighten the chamber's locking ring against the support arm. Maintain the pressure for 1 minute or longer, depending on the size of the brake. Next, turn the piston counterclockwise to generate vacuum and draw out trapped air. Maintain the vacuum for 1 minute or longer. Turn the piston clockwise again until you feel slight pressure. Maintain pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. Any remaining outer tips of the brake should fill with resin. If necessary, repeat vacuum and pressure cycles to make sure the brake is filled completely. Remove the repair fixture from the glass. Consider using our pit filler too. It dries harder than the earlier resin, providing a smooth finish to the repair that saves your windshield wiper inserts from being scratched by a repair pit. To start, apply a drop of the pit filler on the glass directly above the pit. Allow the drop to slowly flow into the pit without trapping any air. Then quickly place a mylar sheet over the brake to contain the resin. Turn on the UV lamp and place it over the repair area. Curing time is 1 to 7 minutes, depending on which lamp is used. To check the state of the resin, lift a corner of the mylar sheet and gently peel it back. Use a razor blade if necessary. If the resin is cured, it will be hard to the touch with a light surface film. After curing, remove the mylar sheet. Then use a razor blade to remove excess resin. Hold the blade perpendicular to the glass and apply smooth, fast strokes. Finally, add pit polish to a soft cloth, buffing wheel, or directly to the windshield and polish the repaired brake. Remove the inspection mirror. Then spray alcohol-based glass cleaner on a soft cloth and clean the repair area. Thank you again for choosing Aegis Tools and Equipment.